Hello everyone, welcome back. I have a journal share for you today. This is the newest Edith Holden journal that I've just completed. This one's already been spoken for, though I just thought maybe you might want to see it. I've got the little snippet pin here, inspired by Artie Mays. So it's just a little bulb pin with some snippets on it. And I had it clipped over here on the spine, but I'm going to take it off for now while we do the flip through. So I have some seam binding, crinkled seam binding dyed in a metal key. And this wraps around. Keep it all nice and secure because it is a little chunky. This journal measures, let me see here, about 7 by about 9.5 or so, and it does have about a 2 1/4 inch spine, 4 signatures. So we have a book plate here on the front with butterfly, and the ties are in here in eyelets to keep those from pulling out. All right. So like I said, this is Edith Holden themed, so a lot of her book pages in here. This is simply just some paper for journaling, and it's just been embellished a little bit. And there's the cover or the title page out of her Country Diary book. And then the other illustrations that are in here that are not Edith Holden are the Tim Holtz embellishments. So we have journaling card. Left all the back sides blank on the journaling cards for journaling, and just some tea-dyed paper here. This doesn't show up, but this is some dot grid paper that's been tea-dyed. You can't see the dots though in the camera, I don't think. So we've got some book pages, garden book pages, fabric ruffle, some pink paper, pink dyed paper. That pink paper is some of that paper my daughter and I dyed together that we posted. I think it was on Instagram. I'm not even sure what she dyed that paper with. Okay, there's the other half of that book page, and then it's just been embellished with some of Edith Holden's illustrations there. A little bit of cheesecloth behind it. And then some of that trim that I've sewn on here. This is that trim that I have. Okay. Another journaling card. Some more tea-dyed paper. And the end of the signature there has a nice big journaling card in it, full-size journaling card. And then on the back, just to be a little bit different, I've made a little tuck spot there. This is Tim Holtz journaling card, I believe. And then this just folds out to make some additional space. And that just slides back in there, if you know how to put it in. Okay, second signature. This flips out. And then this is a pocket here with some more tea-dyed paper in it. Tea-dyed, and it's got a bit of that pink dye from when we were doing those papers. I've left this blank right here for labeling. Okay, inside. Journaling card there. Little quote. Okay, and then we have another fabric ruffle. And then this time I've attached another one of them little snippets on a bulb pin with a little charm there. Center of the signature. That trim sewn on. Okay, then I've just embellished an old book page. Okay, and then I've glued on some lined paper here for some journaling space. That's the end of that second signature. So they've done a spread here of mushrooms. So there's the tag that pokes in that pocket there. And these little illustrations came out of another nature book. They were not Tim Holtz or Edith Holden's. I think the book was called ABCs of Nature. So and then we've got a little fabric doily flower thing and a metal brad. Okay, and then this is a embroidered, embellishment, like a patch. I've glued it on there, and then another fabric ruffle, and then a tag. Not very many tags in this book. I mostly made them journaling cards because journaling cards have more space for journaling. And then there's a great big jumbo tag here. Okay. And that tucks in to this pocket. And then that flips out. So, see that flips out like that. And then I have an old book page just paper clipped in there, but it's blank on the back, so it makes a good journaling card. And I think I might have gotten this from Maggie. She does Textiles of India. I think her shop used to be called Beach and Sari. I don't know if it still is called that or not, or whether or not she changed her shop name. I'll try to remember to link her below. Okay, and then I have this glassine bag. Some lined paper. Another fabric ruffle. More of that trim. There's the other half of that glassine bag. And then I've made a pull-out tag for it. Okay, this is the back of the signature cover here. I have another big jumbo tag. And some cute little birdies and another little cloth doily flower thing and a wooden button. And then, so this has the pocket back there, and then if you take this, you can fold that out. You could glue some paper on there and journal on it, or you know, glue pictures or something in, and then it flips up. So you have 12 by 12 space for writing on. So this is a full 12 by 12 sheet of paper. Okay, there's the back of the signature, and we've got some more tea-dyed paper tucked in there. Okay, and then so we have the dragonflies over here, and then to match the dragonflies, I've embellished the cover of this pocket with, this is a metal dragonfly. Okay, and then this button twine closure opens, and inside, so we have space up here, and then some illustrations down here. And then I used 2 pages that were the same, so that way the words carry straight over. Okay, so no matter which way you fold this in, it looks like one solid page. And when you open this up, we have a whole stack of journaling cards in here and a pocket in the back. Okay. Cat sounds like an elephant running through. Okay, so here's our large tag back here in the back. So this is a large full-sized tag. Let's see, it's 8.5 inches by 6.5. So a very large tag. Okay, and then this is the poem of Golden Rowan of Menaloan. Okay, and so that is about the rowan tree or bush. I think it's a tree. So I looked it up online to find out what exactly that was talking about, what it meant, and it has to do with that. So I made sure to include the picture of this bird with that tree, so those go together. And then there's this tag here. And then a little bit smaller is this tag here. So, and there's still room in here to add other things if you choose to. Pictures and keepsakes. Okay, flip this over. We have another pocket. More of that trim sewn on. And then over here we have some scrapbooking paper glued on, and then a little bit of embellishing there, a ball pin and a tag. And then this opens up to create a little journaling spot up there. I think I was going to glue that in there. And I probably won't now because this thing is getting, this journal is so chunky. But you know what? I'm going to leave that in there because I know who's getting this and she might want that. So I'll leave that in there for you. Book page. Okay, I've just made a little fabric tab there so you could pin an embellishment to it if you wanted to. This flips out. some embellishing on there. Another fabric ruffle and a pretty butterfly. And now we're at the end. Okay, and then this is the back of the last signature here. And I just have a journaling card stuck in that pocket there. I've left the backs blank in case you want to put your own library pocket or your own label in there. Now this is the inside of the last signature. And this tag, or journaling card, has Edith Holden's picture. This is off of the book jacket. Okay. Just a little paper tag there. And then here is her little short biography. And the other one of those birds that are embroidered. So, and that's it. So thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. And I hope you like this. Miss CK, who's getting this journal. So I hope you like it. All right. Speak to you all real soon. Take care. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.